Today we're at St. Francis Assisi in East Palo Alto, where Tebow Method youth Selene and her mentors and volunteers are assembling meals to give to the unhoused throughout the community. Let's go see what they're preparing.
Hello there, my name is Tandiwe Lyons, co-founder of Onyxx Village Connection here in East Palo Alto, California. I'm so very happy to be able to mentor young lady Selene. Selene wanted to feed 50 plus people here in East Palo Alto. I helped Selene gather the food to create a menu. We prepared the food and we also distributed the food. So she did a good job in getting all of those things together and using all of the skills needed to create a successful project. I'm so very proud of Selene. Thank you very much.
Hi everyone, I am Evelyn Kiomia and I am the founder of the Karat project. It was a complete honor to partner with the Tebow Method to help mentor and co-mentor Selene on her project to help feed the unhoused of East Palo Alto. My capacity here as a mentor was just kind of to walk her through a couple of the components, especially the fundraising, and how to think about it and how to invite people really, you know, and change our mindsets about getting funding to help, right? Understanding that we don't need to have a hefty bank account, but if we're willing, we can do something in our community.
I learned that not a lot of people are really mean and they're not violent, and that they won't hurt you if you don't hurt them. I feel more confident about doing a lot more things like this.
Selene is one of many Tebow Method youth who are becoming community service leaders by helping others in their community. Check out our website to learn more and how to get involved.